to enable Do Not Disturb mode on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on your Android device. In order to do so, first of all, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel and then tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to your settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, look for the option Notifications. Once you locate it, tap on it, and then once you reach to the notifications, here now you will be able to locate Do Not Disturb option in this page. Once you locate it, simply tap on this Do Not Disturb feature or the option, and inside it, here you'll be able to see the toggle button at the right side of the option. Simply tap on the toggle button in order to enable it. Now after doing that, this will mute all the calls, notifications and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So by following these steps, you should be able to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.